So we are told to calculate the total surface area of this shape. Now, what we have here is a cone mounted on a hemisphere. What is a hemisphere? It's a sphere that is halved. So it's called the hemisphere. So we have a cone mounted on the hemisphere. So to do this, we have to calculate the curved surface area of the cone and the curved surface area of the hemisphere, and we add our values together. We get the total surface area of this shape. So for the curved surface area of the cone, the formula is given by what? Pi RL. Now, what is our L? Our L is this slant height here. So how do we get this slant height? Now look at this section of this diagram. It forms a right angled triangle. We have 14 centimeter and we have 7 centimeter. So our L can be found using Pythagoras theorem, which is L square is equals to what? The sum of the squares of the adjacent sides, 14 plus 7, both squared. We're going to have what? 196 plus 49. And if you add this, you're going to have 245. So your L is equals to the square root of 245, which is what? 15.65 centimeter. So this is your slant height. Now we can now impute our values for the surface area of the cone. So now the surface area becomes what? Pi, which is 22/7, because we have been told to use pi, times what? Our R is the radius of the cone, which is the same as the radius of the hemisphere, which is 7, times what? The L, 15.65. So once we do our computation, 7 and 7 will cancel out. So you have 22 times 15.65. Once you do your computation, you're going to have 344.35 centimeter square. Now we have gotten the curved surface area of what? The cone. Now what else for the hemisphere? Now what's the formula for the curved surface area of the hemisphere? Now it's gotten from the curved surface area of a sphere. The curved surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Now we have a hemisphere. What does it mean? We're going to divide the total or the curved surface area of a sphere divided by 2. So the curved surface area of a hemisphere is what? 2 pi r squared. So you have what? 2 times 22/7 times your r, which is 7 squared. 7 times 7. So you cancel out and you have what? 2 times 22 is 44. 44 times 7 is 308 centimeter squared. Now we can now add the two surface areas. So the total surface area of the shape is going to give you what? 344.35 plus what? 308, which is going to give you what? 652. I'll put it here. 652.35 centimeter squared. So that is your final answer. See you next time.